Hey, I think we're close enough now. Do you want to see my drawers? Like I shared with you, I've been organizing homes for 10 years, and one of the methods I follow, you have to check her out. Her name's KonMari, Konmari, KonMari. She's the world's leading organizer, and she's taught me so many tips about organizing. So this is what my jean drawer looks like, and what doesn't fit in here doesn't stay. So when I get overloaded with colors. So anyway, just to give you an idea, once you start her method, I promise you're going to be happy. Almost promise, because you can't make everybody happy. But anyway, you take the jeans, fold them this way, and this way. That way when you put them in the drawer, it's pocket up so you can see which pair of jeans it is you're pulling, and it gives you so much, it gives you just so much more room too. And then you just open it, see what you got, and close it, right? Let's see what's in here. Oh, these are my t-shirts, workout pants, skirts, and it goes on. But I thought I would share that with you today. And there, move the needle 10%. Go through your jeans, your pants, and pick out the ones you really love. And ask yourself, when I wear this, do I feel good about me? If they're too tight, be done.